Horrifying as a mother, as a parent, it's horrifying.
A judge horrified by what she saw on video, a brutal attack at a Bay Area dog park. So what happens now for the teenage defendants? Good evening, I'm Keith Kate.
I'm Jennifer Lee. Thank you for joining us. 5 Tampa teens are facing some very serious charges following that brutal beating on Davis Islands earlier this month. And today they were all in court.
And as we showed you there, that beating was caught on video. The state made a request to hold the teens until trial, but the judge went a different direction. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson live at the Davis Islands Dog Park. That's where it all happened. Jeff.
Good evening, Jen and Keith. The beating happened here on Davis Islands near this dog park on February 13th. But testimony today in court revealed that the fight here actually occurred because of another fight that happened earlier, several days earlier, in Clearwater.
Hold on. We can't show you the entire video because it's just too violent. But today, state attorneys used this video as evidence to why 5 teens should be held in jail until their trial.
There were 2 subjects who threw rocks at the car.
A Tampa police detective testified there are at least 10 videos taken the night of the beating, showing a group of teens attack 2 people in a pickup truck, pulling one victim out and brutally beating him until he was unconscious on the ground.
He saw the group. They were being hostile, screaming at him. One of them had a knife outside the door. And he just remembers at some point being dragged out and being kicked and stomped.
The 5 teens in court today range in age from 15 to 18. The state says the fight on Davis Islands came as the result of another fight days earlier in Clearwater. Defense attorneys pointed out the victim was actually an instigator because he sent threatening and profane text messages for days before the beating.
He made statements that were generalized as threats, yes.
And in fact, he made a statement in generalization that he was going to, in fact, shoot up the party.
The teens face charges of aggravated assault and even attempted first-degree murder, but the judge allowed them to be released on bond.
First of all, you're not to have any contact with any witness or victim in this case. And I'm not going to tell you you can't go back to plant and attend physical high school.
The judge also reminded them they still face serious charges.
Your lives will be forever. This will forever alter the way your lives will turn out.
The victim in this case did survive and is apparently now staying in North Carolina. Keith?
So, Jeff, I heard the judge say that the teens can return to Plant High School while they wait for trial, but the question is, will they be allowed to do that?
Well, I contacted the Hillsborough County School District about that question today, and they tell me they cannot comment individually on any case or any student because of privacy concerns. But they tell me generally, in very serious cases where students are charged with serious crimes, they will face discipline from the school, and that could include suspension or expulsion. Keith?
All right, Jeff Patterson reporting live for us in Tampa. Thank you.